Today you're going to work in IXL to do some review on area of parallelograms and triangles. So you'll go to the geometry section, go to S.3, which is area of parallelograms and triangles, and you're going to work until you get a SMART score of 70. So I want to review just a couple of problems first. Since it's been the weekend, it's been a while since we've done these. We have two formulas, a parallelogram. To find the area, we just take the base times height. And then a triangle, the area equals 1/2 base times height. And the thing to remember about both of these is that the base and the height come together at a perpendicular. So a perpendicular, sorry, that was a notification, popped up on my computer. So a perpendicular is when two segments come together to form a right angle. So the base and height always form a right angle. So we're going to look at 5 problems. They won't take long. I just want you to see what the problems in IXL will look like first before you do them. So we have a parallelogram in the first one. I didn't write down like any of the words. We're finding the area for all of them. I just drew the picture so I could fit more on one small whiteboard. So the first one is a parallelogram. You'll only have either parallelograms or triangles. Sometimes the area for a parallelogram is shown within the parallelogram like this. I did not receive any where the parallelogram height, I said the area was shown within. The height is shown within. I did not see any where the height was shown on the outside, but it can be shown like this, and that 10 yards could be put on the outside also like that. So it could be either way, but we're looking for that perpendicular, that right angle. So we have a base and a height. None of the problems that I was given gave me extra information, just a base and a height. So I'm going to plug that in. Area equals base times height. So area equals, base is 5. Oh, you can't see any of that. Hold on just a second. There we go. Area equals base times height. So the base is 5, so area equals 5 times 10. So the area of that is 50 yards squared. The yards squared will be there for you, and so at this point you're pretty familiar with IXL. You just type in the 50, hit enter, hit submit, and then you have your answer. So then we have a triangle, and that formula, area equals 1/2 base times height. So again, only thing that are given to us are the base and the height. The base is 3. So area equals 1/2, 3 times the height is 4. I always work backwards with triangles. So 4 times 3 is 12. Half of 12 is 6. So 6 inches squared would be my formula, or my answer, my area there for that triangle. So then our next one, our next triangle, the problem that IXL gave me looks like this, where the height was on the outside of the triangle. Still, we don't have any extra information. This is still the base of the triangle. We just have that little bit of extension of the base, so that way we can get our right angle. So area equals 1/2 base times height. So area equals 1/2, our base is 14, our height is 13. Move that down for you. And then on this one, I'll find my calculator. On this one, I'll need to use the calculator for that one, so I'm still going to work backwards. I'm going to do 13 times 14. I get 182, and then half of that, so I'm going to divide by 2. That area is 91 kilometers squared. Then I received a couple of problems that were just words, which is fine. You don't need a picture. If you want to draw a picture, you can, but it tells us we have a parallelogram. The base is 1.8. The height is 2. So area equals base times height. We have exactly what we need. Area equals the base is 1.8. The height is 2. So I'm going to multiply those together. 2 times 1.8. Again, I'm going to use my calculator. 2 times 1.8 and 3.6. It's okay to have a decimal answer. Area equals 3.6 kilometers squared. one more. The last one was another one with just words, but with a triangle with a base of 5.9 and a height of 3.2. So the formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. So when I plug in what I have, area equals 1/2 base is 5.9, height is 3.2. Need my calculator for this one. So I'm going to take 3.2 times 5.9. I always work backwards on the triangles. So you get 18.88, and half of 18.88, so divide by 2, is 9.44. So area equals 9.44 millimeters squared. So I don't think this will take you very long. Oh, hold on. There you go. Now you can see it all. I don't think this will take you very long. Just remember you're using two different formulas. Make sure you use the correct formula with the correct figure.